Okay, this one still doesn't fit. Nope, doesn't fit. This one apparently does fit, but only till it's outside. Now let's move both of them, and if you break, only this one stops. This one still goes on. So let's do it again. See? Nothing. Let's do it again. Only this one stops and it pulls out. This one still goes on. Now if this one is the perfect one, let's say this one is the one that is working, I should stop, but the brake doesn't do anything to it. That's the fixed one. So let's see. See? Nothing. So there's definitely something wrong with everything in there.